Hi, everybody. So I'm getting a lot of questions about the PE logs. If you are a returning family, they are doing them completely different this year. So I want to make a video, especially for our new families who may not understand PE logs. So the state actually requires every student to do at least 20 minutes of activity a day. So it comes out to 200 minutes of physical activity every 10 days. Okay, so that's just what they ask us to do. I know kids are getting much more than that. They want you to fill it out either in PDF or, digital form. Either you print it and fill it out and send it to me. You can type it and text it to me. You can save it as a PDF. There are lots of ways you can do it, but they will not no longer be doing the surveys. We used to do Google surveys, and I guess admin found them to be a mess. I know I liked them because then I would just get a collection of them and I would use them for my records that I have to turn into the state. And yeah, I guess they're doing it different. So anyway, um, even the way you fill it out's different. The student name is still there. Student first name and last name. It does have to be their legal name, no nicknames. If they have like two last names or something, whatever names you gave Kava, you need to submit with it. Student ID number, if you haven't wrote down the student ID number somewhere, I would because you're going to use it all year. This is new. Learning coach first name and last name. And then Kava teacher, that's me, Angela Young. So the activity can be the same exact thing every day. You can cut and paste. It can be anything, guys. Go to the park, run, watch videos and dance, gymnastics, baseball, whatever you want. Put it on every day under the activity. And then where it says minutes, make sure you put at least 20 minutes. But I mean, students really don't get like extra points or anything like that for doing extra. So it's honestly just a form for the state to make sure students are moving around. So when you add it up down here, just make sure it says 200 and this is 200. But if you put 20 minutes every day, it'll come out as 200. Again, save it, send it to me, text, email, file share. You could even mail it in the real mail if you want to. But yeah, there we go. There's our PE logs. Thank you guys. We do it 10 times a year. They'll be attached to the newsletter emails. You could always ask me for them. You can always do them ahead of time. You could do them for the whole year and send them to me if you want to. But yeah, they'll always be attached to the newsletter. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.